Hello and welcome back guys to this JavaScript free course here on Bytes Republic. So I hope you enjoy the first video, and here we are to just continue with this course, this really good course and important course for you who needs to understand a little bit about programming with JavaScript, give some interactivity on your web browser or create some apps. So this is the this is a big and very good course to start for you, all the beginners. So this is the video you need to understand how external JavaScript files are used. So this is what we are going to do here. If you see here, I have some code here in the head which points out to this file right here. If you see here, you have this is my first external JS file, which is the same thing written here in this HTML. All right. Good. So let's do this, guys. Let's go back to our code. Right. I'm gonna close this one too. Hit save. Okay, reveal in Explorer, run it. Hello world. So this is what we have done on the last video. All right, so we can delete this alert, delete this code, and we can put just a paragraph here, and we can write my external JS file. So JS stands for JavaScript External JS file, and here in the head we use the head to make some links, to link files, external files, to the HTML. Right, so this is what we are going to do here. But before we create a link, we must create that file which we are going to link. So what I'm going to do is a good practice to create a folder, a separated folder, and put the files there. For example, if you have images, you will create a folder called images and put all the image there. If you have JavaScript files, you will do the same thing. So I'm going to create a new folder called, I will call it JS. And inside this folder, I will create a file called index.js. All right, so .js is the extension for JavaScript files. And here we are going to write all the scripts. Okay, the benefit you are asking for now. The benefit of having an external JavaScript file is that the file can get cached on a client computer. Okay, so it will load faster. Okay, so this is, and it's good for organization. For if you have an external file, you will have all the code there, and for debug and things like that, it will help you so much. So this is a good practice to know. So I will link the script. You can link a script file using script tag, and inside that script tag we're going to say type. All right, we have to write the type text / JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript. And we have to put the source. The file is inside this folder JS, and then we find the index.js. So this is what we're going to do here. Just write JS / and index.js. So this is the location of the file. I will hit save. And if I refresh, we just have my external JS file. My external JS file is from here. So the reason that we don't have anything that is just because we didn't write anything yet. So we have to go to this index.js, which is this file inside this folder JS. You see, because we have written here source.js, which is the folder, slash index.js, which is the file. If we add another folder, we just write here something like JS, let's say front, okay, and then the file. So this is the first folder, the second folder, and then the file. But we don't have another folder, we just have one folder and then the index.js, which is the file. So I can create an alert, or let's start with a document.write, double quote, and let's start. Let's write, this is my first JS external file. All right, let's close this with the semicolon. Save. Let's go here, refresh. So this is my first JS file. We can do the same thing, embedding the HTML tag, which is an h1 here. There is no problem with that. If you need, you can create an alert instead of writing, instead of using document.write here. Refresh. So there is just to make things more clear to you here, we have this index file. This index file have head, inside the head tag have a link to a script, starting with the script tag, and then the type with is text/JavaScript, and the source is the JavaScript /index.js, and we close this tag. So in the body we have an HTML paragraph, so you can write everything here about the HTML, and if you need to write something in the JavaScript, you have to go to this external file, which is linked here, and then write anything here. All right, so this is how we do, this is how we link an external file, JavaScript file, to an HTML. So that's all for now, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and tell me anything in the comments. I would like to hear from you guys. How is it going? If you have any problem, don't hesitate to comment, and I will try to help everyone. Hit the like button, please, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one. Peace.